Hey YouTube enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a brilliant tutorial that many of you have been asking about: how to change a theme on YouTube. Whether you are looking for a fresh look or want to join your experience, this is for you. Let's get started. First, open the YouTube app on your edit. Make sure you are logged into your account for the changes to take effect. Then go to Settings. You can usually find this by tapping on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. If you're on a different page, it might be in the upper left or lower right corner, depending on your layout. And then in the upper right corner, click on the gear icon. Look for General or Appearance in the settings. This is where the magic happens. Under General or Appearance section, find the Theme or Theme Options section. Here you will discover available themes for your YouTube app. Now comes the fun part. Scroll through the available themes and choose the one that suits your style. It can be light, dark, or even a custom color. Choose what suits you. Once you've made your choice, confirm your choice. Go ahead and do it to experience your new YouTube look. And there you have it. Changing the theme on YouTube is easy. Now you can enjoy your favorite videos with custom touch. If this guide helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your YouTube friends, and let me know in the comments if you want to know anything else about YouTube or any other app. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button. Until next time, happy viewing!